Hello everyone, how to do it? So back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to use a Screencastify video recorder in your PC for your PC. So this is really gonna easy and effective tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So Screencastify is a Google extension. So how can you add this first of all you need to go Google web store. So you can see three dots, simply click here, and then you can see extension and visit Chrome web store. So okay, you can see this is the home page of web Chrome store. So what you need to do, you need to search extension name Screencastify. That's it, then enter, and then you will see Screencastify screen video recorder. Simply click on that. And Screencastify screen video recorder, there are something you can see like for rating and 11.6K ratings and 30 million plus people already use this app. So this is really easy to use. If you want to check the review, then you can see check here. So simply click here, add to extension. So I already installed it or added it on my Google Chrome, so I don't need. And after adding on your Google Chrome, then you have to sign up. Okay, you have to sign up through your Gmail. It's really easy and simple. And after that, come to the main point. So how can you record this and how can you use this extension? So I'm just opening any browser. So to be honest, this is really amazing and easy. You don't need to take extra pressure. Okay, it's really easy. So now you have to click here. You can say I already added. So simply click here, and then you will see here some option like browser tab, desktop, and webcam only. If you choose browser tab, it means only this browser will be work, not entire desktop or other things. If you choose desktop, then you can record any software, any Windows or anything in your PC. So I'm choosing desktop mode and then set up microphone access. So you can select this and must make sure that your microphone is enabled. So I am recording this video, so this time I don't want to choose this one. Set up camera access. Also you can come on the webcam and show more option, and you can see you can set countdown. When you start recording, then you can set the countdown. So I set it 3 seconds. And show drawing tools, I think you should keep this one because maybe you can show someone some visualization thing. I will show you how it works. And after doing this thing, simply click on record, and there are two options: enter screen and window. Okay, so window, it means it's only available here like on the Chrome. And if you choose enter screen, it means your task manager and everything on your screen will be recorded. So I just choose this one and simply click here. Once you click here, then you can see here share. Okay, simply click share. So now you can see it's countdown, and the main thing is here you can see so I just keep it little here to show you the clearly. And here are something mouse. So if you type here, then they have the very beautiful gesture. If you click there, you can see it's really amazing. And pen, if you want to write something or draw something, then you can draw something. Okay, or you can also choose the color. Okay, this is amazing. And after that, back and rectangular, if you want to uh, highlight something, like you can see I can highlight this one or this one or filling activity. So you can highlight, and after that you can choose color if you want. There is a color available here, and go back, and then sticker you can add. There are some preset sticker, so like this one you have to click here and choose this one 100%. It's really easy, it's really easy. So you can use this and go back, and then eraser. After a drawing, if you want to erase something, then select this one and just rub it on the elements you draw already. Okay, so this is amazing. And after that, uh, like you can see, there is something you can make it little or make it, and that if you can pause this, if you click here, then your video is paused. And if you resume, so this is the page I select. I can say I select the entire desktop. So if I go to my desktop, you can see it's still sharing, so it's still it's recording. And if you open any browser, like uh, if I open the any browser, then it will be recorded. Okay, and then you can see, but only this page will be available for this drawing, not other. And after that, how can you stop recording? You can see the option end recording. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see the video, enter video here, this page, and you can see like this one, like it's saving. Okay, it's saving, it's exporting. So you can see what I recorded now, you can see on the page. And the main thing is that this is not totally free. You can record 10 videos freely, and after that you have to upgrade for unlimited recording. So if you want to, I said you, if you really need this extension, then you can buy this pack. It's really amazing. And after that, it takes few moments to save. Okay, and you can sharing to your friend, active viewers, like you can see how many people see this. Okay, so it takes, and after that, original video file, and there is something export video and Google Drive. You can upload this Google Drive, or you can export this in your PC. So simply click on that, and more option. So here is something like download file, export to YouTube, export GIF, export as MP4. Okay, so this is the premium version, export as MP3. So simply click download file. It means that this file will be downloaded in your PC, and just click on that. So it's downloading now. So here you can see it's downloading. Okay, so after downloading, then you can see, you can watch this, and this is really amazing, you can use. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.